What's up, team Amifullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So it's been a while since I showed my face, so I thought today let me show my face. I'm in the kitchen, so yeah, I wanted to come and do an unboxing for you guys. I have been really into juicing right now. My kitchen is full of stuff to juice. I have some pineapple, I have celery, I have cucumber, I have a lot of ginger in here I want to juice. So I decided to invest in myself because I'm doing it for myself. I decided to invest in myself and buy myself a juicer, a good one. Okay, I've watched a lot of review on this juicer, so I decided to pick this up. So I want to come and show you guys what juicer I picked up today. So I got this juicer from a shop called named Cool Blue. If you guys live in the Netherlands, you might have heard about this store. And I got the Omega. What is wrong? What is this? And I got the Omega juicer. It's pretty expensive, but I've seen a great review and I thought, you know what, I really want to do more of juicing in the house. So I thought this is, it's expensive, but it's a great investment. Yeah, so let's jump into the unboxing. Let me find somewhere where I'm going to put this camera. Actually, let's put the camera here. Don't fall down. Okay, let's leave it straighten up a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna put the camera here, and now we are going to open this box. Ugh, so much paper. Oh, okay. Let's open this one too. And this side as well. Ooh, so it is well packed, guys. It is well packed. The box is kind of big. Like, it's well packed. A lot of space in here. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my god. Okay, let's get rid of this box. Woo! This is the one I got. This is the Omega juicer. I don't know what series is this. This is the CNC82S. I don't know. They have different stuff. They have like different series of this Omega, but this is the one that I picked up. This is the one I picked up, and I really like it. I've seen a lot of great reviews. I wanted to pick the new one, the Omega 1000, the 1000 something, but they didn't have it anymore in stock, and I was like, you know what, I really wanted to try this, and I really want to do this. And this one is also a pretty good one, so I decided to pick this one as well. Okay, so first let's just get this box out, what is in here. This thing is packed pretty good. Something like me. It's packed pretty good, and it's pretty heavy, man. So here you have all the instructions. Let's open this and see what they have. Okay, let's leave this one first. This is the menu, and let's open this one. Oh, okay. Don't know. Oh, these are all the cuts. I'm just gonna put everything here. Okay. This is the brush. And this, a lot of boxes. And these are the 2 cups you get And these are other accessories. Ooh. This is the part where you connect. And this is the other one. Okay. I feel like this box is empty, so let's just get it out of the way. And now let's get, I feel like this is where the main juicer is, because this is pretty big. It's pretty heavy. This one is pretty heavy. So this is where you get the juicer. Okay. What is in here? Okay, get rid of this paper. Ooh, I'm pretty excited. How do I lift this thing up? Woo. Okay, so this is the juicer. This is the Omega. Ooh, this is heavy. This is quite heavy. So let's open this book to see instruction and other stuff, because this is the only book I got. And I was told that you do have some, yeah, it's true, you do have some few recipes in here, like if you want to make almond milk, soya beans, if you want to make peanut butter, pasta. Okay. You know, some pretty good recipes in here. Baby food, if you have baby. Okay, that's good. They have some few recipes in here. In different languages. Okay. This is what I'm looking for, this side, and how to put this together. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. So let's see. So this is the path that I'm looking for. How to install this bad boy together. Lay down straight. First, you take this one. This one is also pretty heavy. Oh, you have two of this one. You have I don't know how to open to get this one, but you have this one in here with, you have two different types. So okay, which is good. Okay, close. Okay, so number one. Okay, put this in. Oh, that. Lord have mercy. It has to go like this. Okay, this is a struggle. How in God's name? It looks so easy on the paper. Oh yeah. Whew. Okay, I get the first part. This one is already fixed in. Okay. They already fixed this part in. What else do you need? Oh yeah, you need this. Oh, this one. Yeah. you guys see what I'm doing? So you need, how does this go? Comes in front. Okay, you need this one. This is where you put your fruit. And this is what you use to push it down. Yeah, this one. This is the brush to clean. You get a mini brush to clean. Okay, not bad. And use this one to connect. And these are, I don't want to. I'm gonna take just open it like this. And these are the nuts you need. I think you're gonna use this one for different recipe. I think for different things that you are using, you're gonna use this one. But how do you? Oh, you fixed it. How do you fix this one? Is it like this? Okay, you have 2 cups here. I think one is to collect. This one is for the front to collect the waste. Oh, you have the nut here. This is what I was looking for. And this one is for the, oh, this one is cool. It's shifted everything. This one is for the back. Is it like this? I think this one is for here to collect juice. Okay, this is just I think I have to go through this book and read of all the instructions and everything, but so far so good. I think I fixed it together because this is how it's. I only need to put this little knot. I don't know where. Oh yeah, this one's supposed to. When I was watching tutorials, I was told that this is how tighten you want the juice. So guys, I think I did it. And this one is to make extra. If you want something, make something else. This one does not have. This one for something else. So these are all. These are all the accessories. This is everything you get, guys. These are all the accessories with the Omega. This is the Omega CNC80. This is Omega CNC80. So this is everything you get. It's not that difficult to actually fix together, but this part is quite heavy, but I also like it. It's pretty tiny. It's very, very tiny. I think it can really fit if you have a small apartment or small kitchen. I have a big kitchen, so I do have space, but I really, really like it. So yeah, this is my unboxing of my Omega CNC80. This is what it is. I hope you all like this video. These are all the accessories you have. I'm going to put these accessories in this plastic bag, like all of this stuff, so I don't misplace them. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna go through this book and try to read more, but first, before I start juicing, I'm going to wash this one here. I'm going to wash it, just rinse it. so that everything looks clean. Everything is clean before juicing. So guys, this is my unboxing. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.